guys, just to tell you, I'm doing all the parts today. So, yeah, but they won't be posted on the freaking same day. So, freaking yeah. Let's go get Mom and Dad's phone. My phone. Mia packs baby stuff. Wait, pretend I already found the baby freaking stuff. Pretend this is not here. And all these toys are freaking not here because I don't feel like packing them. I'm too lazy. I should have told you this at the first part of the video, but this is gonna have a lot of drama in it, okay? Let's go, you guys. We're missing another one. Ah! Anyways, let's get to that. I lost my glasses, so I think I'm in the car. Okay, let's just get in the freaking car. I want to sit in the front seat. No, nobody's sitting in the front seat. Ugh. So annoying. So right. She was talking about you. No, she was talking about you. Stop fighting. Here's your bag and stuff. Oh, thanks, Mom. Yeah, I found my glasses. Yay, yay. Let's all have a party. Don't do that. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Hey, night. See, that's from the 1980s. No, it's not. Drink it! That's awkward. Yeah, Tizzy, that's pretty awkward. You don't even know how to say it. Okay, here's your iPads. I'll get my phone. Just go start driving. Guys, I'm gonna start driving. We forgot. Where's the freaking baby? Oh, yeah, we forgot the freaking baby in the car seat because we need the car seat for the baby. Okay, Okay, this is yours. This is your. I said this is your. And this is your iPad, and this is your iPad. I said this is her iPad. Why are you going to go ahead and take it from her? Put that up there and put that up there. Let's keep driving, y'all. Okay. We're going to switch every morning. So you drive in the night, I drive in the morning. Okay. Sorry for the background noises. Okay. No, I want Robux. No, I want Robux. No, I want Robux. Kids, stop. Pretend that's all like the water on the ground. I'm sorry for that. It was silence, and I was showing my freaking temperature on my iPad. And you already know how much time I have left. I have a lot of time left. My mom came in my room. Okay, you didn't hear anything. Okay, anyway. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. That's what it says on their iPads. Oh, didn't mean to push that. Okay. Hey, what do you need? Hey, girl. Hey, what? It's the middle of the freaking night. Why are you still up? Okay, don't ask questions, but my mom has work, and I have to take care of my little sister. Oh, wait, have you seen the flood? Yeah. Where is your sister? It's not really a flood, but it's a raining problem. Yeah, a raining problem. girl, do not do that. Okay, anyways, raining problem. It's like, I think, yeah, me and my sister in our basement. Oh, y'all in the basement. Yeah, the basement. She smells like a fucking pig. You hear Mom right there? Is that Mom? I'm gonna go check. Why? Mom can go in the bed. I'm just gonna tell her. Sweetie. What? I just do everything. Because I'm tired. What do you mean? You can go in the bed. Oh, right. We have beds for a reason. Good night. Okay. Mom had to sleep in the bed because she was a big bat in front of that. Don't tell me that. Weird, but okay. Baby, okay. Not asleep yet, but she wants to go to sleep. Okay, don't cry on me. Okay, let's play Roblox. Yeah, let's play Toolbox. It's freaking Roblox. Oh. Man, everyone goes to sleep with their iPads and phones in their hand. Okay, guys, wait for part 5. That's when they actually get to the basement. I don't think I have the basement ready. I'm gonna get it ready while y'all not watching. Bye.